Exploring the depths of respiratory physiology, unraveling the intricacies of breathing, gas exchange, and lung mechanics. Introduction. The respiratory system stands as a marvel of biological engineering, orchestrating the exchange of vital gases to sustain life. From the rhythmic rise and fall of the chest during breathing to the intricate exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide within the lungs, respiratory physiology encompasses a realm of complexity that often escapes casual observation. In this deep dive into respiratory physiology, we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of breathing, gas exchange, and lung mechanics, shedding light on the mechanisms that keep us alive and thriving. The mechanics of breathing. At the heart of respiratory physiology lies the mechanics of breathing, a process governed by a delicate interplay of muscles, nerves, and anatomical structures. The journey begins with inspiration, as the diaphragm contracts and descends, enlarging the thoracic cavity and creating negative pressure within the lungs. Simultaneously, intercostal muscles expand the rib cage, further increasing thoracic volume. This expansion lowers air pressure in the lungs, causing air to rush in through the airways to equalize pressure, a process known as inhalation. Conversely, exhalation involves the relaxation of the diaphragm and intercostal muscles, resulting in a decrease in thoracic volume. As the thoracic cavity recoils to its resting state, air is expelled from the lungs, completing the breathing cycle. However, the mechanics of breathing extend beyond mere muscle contractions, encompassing factors such as lung compliance, airway resistance, and surface tension within the alveoli, all of which influence respiratory efficiency and function. Gas exchange. The alveolar interface. Within the depths of the lungs lies the alveoli, microscopic air sacs where the crucial exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs. This exchange relies on the principles of diffusion, as gases move across a concentration gradient from areas of higher to lower concentration. During inhalation, oxygen-rich air fills the alveoli, diffusing across the thin alveolar capillary membrane into the surrounding pulmonary capillaries, where it binds to hemoglobin for transport to tissues throughout the body. Conversely, carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular metabolism, diffuses from the bloodstream into the alveoli to be expelled during exhalation. This exchange of gases is facilitated by the immense surface area of the alveoli, as well as the thinness of the alveolar membrane, ensuring rapid and efficient gas transfer to meet the body's metabolic demands. Regulation of respiration. The respiratory rhythm is finely tuned by a complex network of neural and chemical mechanisms that maintain oxygen and carbon dioxide homeostasis in the body. At the helm of this regulation is the respiratory control center located in the brainstem, which receives input from various sensors monitoring blood gas levels, pH, and other physiological parameters. Chemoreceptors, including central chemoreceptors in the brain and peripheral chemoreceptors in the carotid bodies and aortic arch, play a pivotal role in detecting changes in blood oxygen and carbon dioxide levels. When oxygen levels drop or carbon dioxide levels rise above normal, these chemoreceptors signal the respiratory control center to adjust the rate and depth of breathing to restore homeostasis. Furthermore, other factors such as pH, temperature, and emotional state can influence respiratory rate and pattern, highlighting the intricate interplay between physiological, neural, and psychological factors in regulating respiration. Conclusion. The exploration of respiratory physiology unveils a tapestry of intricacies that underlie the fundamental processes of breathing, gas exchange, and lung mechanics. From the rhythmic expansion and contraction of the chest during inspiration and expiration to the microscopic exchange of gases within the alveoli, each facet of respiratory physiology contributes to the vital task of sustaining life. As we delve deeper into the mechanisms governing respiration, we gain a newfound appreciation for the remarkable complexity and precision of the respiratory system. By understanding the intricate interplay of muscles, nerves, and biochemical pathways involved in breathing, we not only unravel the mysteries of respiratory physiology but also gain insights into the delicate balance that sustains life itself.